guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have an exciting one. I have another Princess Polly haul for you guys. You guys know I love Princess Polly. It's great for any occasion. They have so many cute on-trend pieces. But for today's occasion, we're talking vacation wear. I am going to Cabo next week and I needed to stock up for my trip, and I couldn't think of a better place than Princess Polly. And as always, I have a coupon code for you guys. So my new code is just JAMIE, super easy, for 20% off. You can use it on anything on their site, or if you like anything in this video. So let's go ahead and get into it, shall we? I'm actually going for my cousin's 30th birthday, and I forgot to mention I have never been to Mexico before. I've actually never been out of the country. I just got my passport. Okay, first piece is what I'm wearing right now. I have this adorable linen romper on that I feel like is just screaming Cabo. So good, not only for vacation, but I think just for spring and summer. It's lightweight, it's comfortable, it's casual, but still dressed up enough where you look put together. Really cute with a pair of sandals for like brunch or your vacation or whatever you're doing. It has such cute details on it. It has these flowy sleeves, but also an open back with a little tie. Also wanted to say that my sizing will be mentioned with every single link below if you guys need to know anything for reference on what I get. I know the sizing can sometimes be a little confusing because it runs by numbers for most of the products. So if you guys have any questions about that, it'll be in there because I always forget to say it in the video, so it'll just be in the description box. And since they're right here, I'm just going to show you guys the accessories that I picked out. I just have 2 pairs of sunglasses, which is more than enough for one trip, but had to do it. I've actually been eyeing this pair for a while. They're a really cute aviator, a little bit more of like a boxy aviator, a little bit different. They have a gold frame and black lenses. I think they even kind of look a little bit navy blue, but they're so cute and I feel like so good for my trip and just to carry me into the spring and summer season. They're gonna look really good with like my little bathing suits and just my outfits. Really excited about these. And this next pair that I have is a little bit more of like a round tortoiseshell cat eye almost. Like it's a mixture between both. And they are really cute also. This is, I think, great for, I have the tag right here. These are great for, I think, beach trips and like vacations because they really like cover a decent amount of your face and they're tinted enough where they're protecting your eyes. So I feel like these are really great for vacation or just the spring and summer season that we're heading into. I really love those aviator ones though. These are cute, but I think those aviator ones are my favorite. So those are the sunglasses that I got. I probably will only need 1 pair, but we got 2 because we're extra, okay? So those are the only accessories I got. I didn't really need too much. I have so many necklaces and so many things already. For the next piece, we have a t-shirt, and this I kind of had in mind for the plane ride over there. Yeah, I'm also planning out my plane outfits because that's what I do. I love to get a little airport picture. That's the plan. So this I think is cute because it's cozy and comfortable for the plane, but still cute enough to wear like heading to Cabo, you know? And also I think just a great t-shirt to have to maybe wear around the hotel room or to throw over a bathing suit or whatever, you know? It's like a boxy crop. I don't know what I'm gonna wear with it on the plane. Maybe a pair of sweats or like leggings or something like that. I'm not really sure, but I really like this. It's a great little t-shirt. They have so many good graphic tees on Princess Polly. If you guys are looking for any, you could literally find so many on there. Okay, and the next piece is another linen item, and I actually thought these two would look really cute together for like a casual heading to the pool kind of look. I'm so extra. I feel like linen shorts that you could throw over a bathing suit or just to wear with whatever you're doing when you're on vacation is so essential, and these fit so good. I feel like sometimes they look a little bit frumpy and kind of fit weird. These fit amazing. So if you guys are looking for a pair of shorts like this, look no further. These are great. Both the romper and the shorts are like that oatmeal linen color, which to me really just looks like something you should be wearing in Cabo. Like, I don't know what it is. This color and this material really reminds me of like a vacation. I feel like it's very like resort inspired. I'm going in no particular order, but now we have a few bathing suits and then I'll get back to more clothes. This first one is a little 2-piece set. So I won't be trying the bathing suits on to show you guys just because we're not doing that today, but this is the bathing suit. So this is the top. I love an all black bikini. I think it's just so classic, and the material on this is so nice. And then these are the bottoms. They're a little bit of a high rise. They're not completely cheeky where it's like too much, but they're just the right amount. I do not like a full butt bathing suit. It's not it for me. Like, you need to show a little something. So I really like this one. It's so cute and such nice material, so flattering on, so classic, and you can't beat it. So really love this one. But then I have a 1 piece, and this one I think is so fun. This is a zebra print 1 shoulder one piece. I love a one shoulder bathing suit. I actually have another one that I'll probably bring with me. It's like a neon orange that is a one piece like this with the one shoulder that you guys have seen a few times. But I just love this. Like, how cute would this be just wearing this, heading to the pool with these shorts over? Like, look at these together. So cute. Really excited about this bathing suit. It fits so nice too. It's not too thick and restricting. It looks really good in all the right places and fits so nice. Again, we kind of have that semi cheeky butt. You don't want a one piece that's like too conservative, because then you look kind of like you lose your shape and you look a little bit like mom vibes. Nothing wrong with being a mom, but you can be a hot mom, you know what I mean? Like the one piece, there's like an art to it. You gotta get one that like shows off enough where it's still like sexy and not like too conservative. So this is that perfect mix. Okay, next up we have a skirt, and I have been eyeing this skirt from Princess Polly for a while now. I kind of had it in mind for my trip, and I'm so excited about it. So this is like a ruffly, like flowy, but still short enough and cute enough kind of skirt. I don't exactly know what to call this. It's so fun. It has like the 3 tiers of like the little ruffles, flowy and comfortable and cute, but it's not too long. I've noticed some of these skirts are a little bit too long, and they go a little too long in the back where you just look like a little bit too like me in 7th grade kind of vibes. I don't want to like look like a little girl, you know, like this kind of style can be kind of tricky. So you gotta dress it up in the right way and get the right fit. And this one is the exact right fit. They actually also have this in black. I really wanted the black, but the reason I went for the white is because I feel like it's really good for a resort kind of outfit. But also my cousin kind of planned her birthday dinner on the vacation to be an all white dinner, which I just love a theme. I love when I can like plan my outfit around a theme. You guys know this about me. So I went with the white skirt because I figured I would wear this with something to dinner. I hope it's not too cold at night. I've never been there before. It doesn't look like it's super hot yet because, you know, it's only February right now. We'll be going in the first week of March, so I don't know exactly how the weather will be at night, but I'm hoping I can wear this. It's really cute, and I also got this little crop top that I don't know if I'm gonna wear these together, but it would be really cute for an all white dinner because it's like a little all white 2-piece. These were sold separately and I've just put them together myself, but I think they could be really cute. So this is just like a little white tank crop. It has this on the back, this material, this stretchy material. I don't know exactly what that's called, but you guys get the vibes. And the little straps are like ruffly, and there's like all these little details on it. It's so fun for a vacation, just very like resort inspired. I've been wanting something like this for a while, and it's like also that kind of linen cottony material. So again, really great for a vacation, and I really love that. So I think those two together could be really cute if they work out. I need a tan so bad. I actually should have a tan on while I'm doing this video. Like, that is embarrassing. I'm gonna be trying these clothes on while I'm so pale, and that is not it. Hopefully when you guys see this on my Instagram, I'll be nice and tan and the white will just pop on my skin. Yeah, we need to fix that. Okay, now we have another little skirt, and again, I don't know if I'll wear this in Cabo. I think it'd be cute for dinner maybe. I'll probably bring it, but I'm not sure if I'll wear it because I don't know. We'll see, but I do think this would be really cute for a dinner. But we have this little butterfly printed mini skirt. Princess Polly has the best mini skirts. They literally have so many options and they fit so great. Sometimes with these mini skirts, they can get a little bit too baggy on the backside, and then they just look like they need to be taken in. They don't fit correctly. It's not like, you know, the vibes are really going for. Like, if you're wearing a mini skirt, you want to wear a mini skirt. You're not trying to have it look super, super modest. This fits on your curves in all the right places, and it's super stretchy and also flattering. It has 2 slits on the front, on each leg, just little ones right there. But I have seen ones where they just have the 1 slit on the side. I really, really like these. Super comfortable. You can wear with a little crop graphic tee if you want to maybe dress it down a little bit, wear with some sneakers, but you definitely could dress this up. They actually had this paired with that white little crop tank that I showed you guys. It's kind of how I saw the crop tank top. I thought they looked so cute together. I don't know if I'll wear it like that because it seems like, I don't really know, but it looked really cute. So fits so nice and such nice material. Love this. Okay, and our last piece for today, definitely wearing this on my trip. This is a gorgeous dress and so lightweight, so comfortable. This is a leopard print midi dress, thin material, so it's not gonna like weigh you down or be too much. It even has like these like drawstrings in the front where you can tighten it, and it can adjust how it looks in the front, almost kind of like a bathing suit, you know? So I just feel like this is really great for my trip. Fits so nice, looks so cute on, but I'll definitely wear it into the spring and summer when I'm back at home. But I think really great for a resort resort kind of outfit. Really, really love this. It's so, so cute. So yeah, that's everything that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys are going on a trip also and got some inspiration from this, or if you're just getting ready for spring and summer, make sure you give me a thumbs up and comment below what your favorite piece was. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram so you can see all these outfits in action when I'm in Cabo. I'm definitely going to be vlogging while I'm there, and the vlog will go up after I get back, obviously. So I'm really excited to share all that, and I'm really excited to go for the first time. I think it'll be really fun. We're going to have a great time. So make sure you guys follow me, subscribe, comment below, do all that. Thank you so much for watching. Use my code Jamie on Princess Polly. I think that pretty much covers all bases. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.